Hi everyone. Now in this video, I am going to discuss the basic overview of Looker Studio, how to add the charts and how to add a filters in Looker Studio. So now I'm considering the data of employee data. It is a reference data. Now I'm going to add this data into the Looker Studio. Now I'm going to tell you the formal method how to add the data in the Looker Studio. So for that, we have to go for the option of add data in the right side bottom, and we can select the Google Sheet. This is the one option we have to add the data. And second option we have in the top of the screen to click on add the data. And we can select the sheet which one is required for us. And now as I'm considering employees data, I'm selecting employees data. And I'm having two sheets in this. I'm considering sheet 1 data. Now let's go to Local Studio and selecting sheet 1. Click on add data. It takes few seconds to load the data. And after loading the data, it asks us to add the report for the confirmation of adding the data. We have to click on add to report. Then now their data is going to be added. And we can see the employee data of sheet 1, which was added in the data panel of the right side. If we open that, we can see the columns, whatever we have in the sheet that have been added. Now, first step, I want to add charts. We are having different type of charts. In that, now I'm considering with the table chart. In this table chart, we have I'm considering the employee ID and their full name and the department and the job title. So to add the data in the Looker Studio of column data, we have to add it in the dimensions column, which is in the setup. We have to click on the add dimensions and select. I want to select the next one is full name of the employee. Employee ID, employee name, and then what is the role or on what role they are working. For that, we are considering as a job title. So we have added employee ID, full name, job title. So if you want to adjust the data, we can just keep the cursor on the top of the line and we can adjust the data. And here is a simple way of adding the columns data in the dashboard. Now, next tab option, I want to show how to add a filter. So for adding a filter, we have an option called add a controller. We have different type of controllers. In that, I am selecting the drop-down controller. We are clicking on the drop-down controller. And I am considering the filter for job title. Here, it is defaultly taken considering some employee ID as a filter. I want to change it to job title. Just click on the employee ID and select the column which is required for us. That is job title. So in this job title, I'm selecting director. So if you want to select only the people who are in the director, just click on only. It is going to show us only the data which are in the role of director. This is a simple method of adding the tables and filters to the Google Studio dashboard or Looker Studio dashboard. Thank you.